Are you an Etsy seller who is struggling to get sales? You are not alone. A lot of Etsy sellers at the moment are having a tough time getting sales, and that's why in today's video, I'm going to be sharing different things that you could do to help you increase your sales and build a sustainable business for the long haul. So let's go ahead and get started. One of the easiest things that you could do is increase your product line, giving buyers more options, and this is going to help you increase your chances of making a sale. Now, if you sell digital products, it is a lot easier to add more listings to your store without breaking the bank. If you currently have, let's say, 20 listings, try to work yourself up to 100 listings. This will help your shop in various ways. Keep in mind, more listings equal more traffic, and it will quickly help you identify also what is selling and what is not, and you can use this information as a turning point in your shop. Now, those that sell tangible products create more of what's working already. If you have a top seller, are you able to create different variations of the product, even if you slightly change the color? Or are you able to add a robust line of matching products? This is what I do on my main store. And this will help you to upsell to your customers and have them buy 2 to 5 pieces in one purchase. Now, suppose you're limited to creating more products due to time or money restrictions, because that does happen, right? In that case, what you could do is duplicate 16 listings, change the primary photo, add different tags, and this will help you increase your inventory. It's going to help you amplify your reach since now you have more listings. Keep in mind that there's no limit to how many times you duplicate a listing. And you could quickly go from 10 listings all the way to 50 listings. And this is a great way for A/B testing photos. You could also test out different descriptions and also tags. And you could do this for both digital and physical products. Another way to increase your Etsy sales is by leveraging the power of Pinterest. I recommend creating various pins for your products, and I personally do a mix of static pins, video pins, and idea pins. I use Tailwind app to schedule my pins, and I usually create 10 pins per product. Now, it might sound like a lot, but I always test out different formats to see what resonates with my audience. And what I normally do, I test this out for 30 days. I check my Pinterest analytics and I look at my top performing pins. And then what I do is create more of those pins for the following month and just slightly make them different. This is how I'm able to generate over 100,000 organic clicks to my products and services every single month. Now, did you know that you could increase your sales on Etsy by growing your shop's authority? Well, the more authority your shop has, the more likely people will find and buy your products. One way to grow your authority is by getting backlinks from other websites. Now, backlinks show that other websites are endorsing your Etsy shop, which can help you rank higher on Google and other search engines. Now, you could get backlinks by adding your Etsy shop to directories, by doing guest blogging, and also blogging about your own Etsy shop in your blog if you have one. Now, here's a pro tip. You could also spy on your competitors' backlinks and reach out to those websites to see if they will add you to the list. Another strategy that you could start implementing to increase your sales instantly is polishing and improving your product photos. A couple of years ago, Etsy surveyed buyers, and 90% of them said the product photo influenced them to make a purchasing decision. So if you have an okay photo, it can literally prevent you from having a sale no matter how great your product is. So there are a few things that you could do to improve the quality of your photos. The first one is use a white background for your product photos. The second tip is take pictures in natural light whenever possible. Tip number 3, use props to style your products in an exciting way. Tip number 4, experiment with different angles. And tip number 5, edit your photos using photo editing software And tip number 6, make sure your photos are high quality and properly sized. Don't rush the process to get the store up and running. If your photos are not sized correctly, they're blurry, or they're pixelated, it will affect your sales. Another strategy that I have discussed briefly before is using Instagram to connect with your ideal target customer. And a strategy that you could start implementing is connecting with 20 Instagram accounts per day that are your ideal customers. And all you need to do is create an Excel spreadsheet where you add these 20 accounts and you connect with them every single day for a period of 30 days. How it works is that you will go to these accounts daily. You're going to leave thoughtful, meaningful, engaging comments. And this is going to help you create engagement for your own account and create a community. Many of these people will come back to your profile to see what you are all about. Some will follow you, and a lot of them are going to click on your profile link, which leads them directly to your Etsy business. Now, you will do this every single 30 days with new customers. This is a strategy that I use for my brand, but I originally started using it for my main health blog account, which has helped me build an engaging community and a community of over 100,000 readers. So it might seem like a lot to do, but it does work because you're building an engaging community, which is essential for social media platforms like Instagram. On top of that, you are intentional with whom you are engaging, which is your target audience. One of the fastest ways to increase your sales is by running remarketing campaigns on Facebook if you have the means to do it. And you could target people on your email list that already shown interest in your products or have already purchased from you. And the best part about creating a remarketing campaign is that you don't need to add any demographics, location, or interest when creating your Facebook ad. It's one of the easiest ads to create. All you need to do is have your creative, write an engaging copy, upload your CSV customer list to Facebook, choose the placement that you want to promote it on let's say you want to promote it on Facebook and Instagram, and run the ad. It's that simple. Facebook will do the rest and show this ad to your current email list. And remarketing campaigns do well than cold campaigns. Now, I also recommend creating different systems and processes for your Etsy business that will help you move the needle, such as brand awareness, email marketing, like we just talked about, remarketing campaigns, blogging, etc. Anything that will give you more exposure for your products on a regular basis and not just simply rely on putting all of your eggs on Etsy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments which one was your favorite tip.